Hey, what's up, you happy people? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called garlic noodle shrimp. And for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. First, trim off the leg and swimmer. Then peel off the shell to the last segment. Cut open the shrimp on the back. Remove the gut. Pass the tail through the opening. Crash the tail to have it stay open. Soak a couple vermicelli noodles in boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. Chop a clove of garlic into small pieces. Prepare some fresh scallion and hot pepper. Pour hot oil on the garlic and red pepper. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and oyster sauce. Add 1 teaspoon salt, chicken bouillon, and sugar. Mix the garlic sauce well. Place the vermicelli noodles in the middle of the plate. Lay the shrimp on top of the noodle. Apply the garlic sauce on the shrimp. Steam the shrimp and the noodle for about 6 minutes. Add some chopped scallion on the garlic sauce. Place the shredded scallion in the middle. Pour hot oil over the scallion. Finally, add some soy sauce for seafood. This is the garlic noodle shrimp I'm talking about. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.